In this video, we write a program to print the number of times a word is repeated in a string. So string is equal to input enter string words is equal to string dot split. So it will split the string with a delimiter space, and the words will be a list of words right now. So if you want to split with the delimiter slash, just put it in double quotation. If it is empty, the delimiter is space. So we need to keep track of the count. So word count is equal to an empty dictionary for word in words. Word count of word is equal to words dot count word for key comma value in words word count dot items print string the word to print the double quotation a slash and double quotation curly braces key is repeated value times. So run the program. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it. So let is repeated 3 times. It is repeated 3 times, and snow is repeated 2 times. So thanks for watching.